Hey, what's going on? If you're new to my video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I will show you this jackhammer, a quick review, show you real customer experience that will help you with confidence. But before I show you the real customer experience, as you know, real customer will open your eye. Watch this quick promo video. You can see that this tool is really heavy. You will get the box and include you will get all of these tools that will help you with confidence. And if you need right now 15% off saving and discount opportunity, make sure you check out my YouTube video description. Save up to 15% off, which will help you with confidence. Now if you check out the overall, they share everything the details in here, but as you know, real customer will open your eye. That's why if you check out right now these 679 reviews, click on it. It will take you to the review page. Now in here, click photos only and click the 5-star rating. Then you can easily see amazing tools, price I love. You can see continue buy product. So people are giving good reviews. This person you can see by recently 2024 May and sharing the photo like this way. Another person you can see share the photo after using it. Another person receive the product and after unboxing you can see the color all looking solid. You can easily check out the reviews if you want. Like this way, this person shared two beautiful photo. You can see it's looking heavy. Another person using it in the work, you can see give a 5-star rating. So most of the people are happy, satisfied. Another review from real customer, you can see using these tools and people are giving good recommendation using it. And another review from real customer. So if you want, you can also check out this product. The quality will be great because VEVOR always give you the good product in your hand. And if you want discount, check out my YouTube video description. I also share different other tools reviews. I share always the best tools that people are giving good reviews and people are sharing good experience. So this tool will be great for you. You can check out all the others photos, features, the details, everything, and you can check out the model from in here. So thanks for watching, subscribe. And you can see 600 plus people are happy with their purchase. So if you buy it, you can also get good service and use it for a long time. So thanks for watching, subscribe, save money, feel happy. See you again in another new video.